Deciphering the Phrase. Go Barmy. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to delve into a fun and quirky English phrase, Go Barmy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, its origins, and how to use it in your daily conversations. Go Barmy might sound a bit odd if you've never come across it before. Literally, the word barmy originates from the word barm, which refers to the froth on fermenting beer. But over time, its meaning shifted in the context of this phrase. In colloquial English, if someone is said to go barmy, it means they've become mad or crazy, either in a temporary state of excitement or agitation. It's often used in a light-hearted or humorous context. For instance, if someone forgets where they kept their keys for the 10th time, you might jokingly say, "You're going barmy." To get a grip on any new phrase, it's always helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. When she saw the surprise party, she went barmy with excitement. 2. If I have to listen to that song one more time, I'll go barmy. 3. After studying for hours, he felt like he was going barmy. Just to enrich your vocabulary a bit more, here are some synonyms you might encounter that carry a similar meaning. Go bananas, lose one's marbles, go nuts. Remember, context is key, and while all these phrases imply a certain level of madness or craziness, they're generally used in a playful manner. And that wraps up our deep dive into the phrase, go barmy. English is filled with such colorful expressions, and every phrase has its own unique history and flavor. I hope you found this explanation helpful and fun. Keep exploring and using these phrases in your conversations to sound more fluent and natural. Until next time, happy learning!